This episode of Masterpieces highlights a work by Raffaëllo Sanzio, the man who is best known from the fresco School of Athens, in which he himself appears. We are going to look at a painting that was nearly lost after an earthquake. The Madonna of the Goldfinch was made as a wedding gift for his friend Lorenzo Nassi. It is a remarkable painting for several reasons. First of all, there are no halos. Not for the Madonna, not for Christ or his friend John the Baptist. Raphael copied Leonardo da Vinci's technique of sfumato and did that very convincingly. As usual in Renaissance times, the triangle was sacred. In November 1548, Nassi's house was destroyed by an earthquake, and the painting broke into 17 pieces. It was hastily put back together again, though the seams remained quite visible. In 2002, a restoration started that was completed only in 2008, after 6 grueling years of intense work on both construction as reviving the color. Since then, the painting is put on display in the Uffizi in Florence. Nowadays, it can be seen in room 41, together with works by Michelangelo Buonarroti and Fra Bartolomeo.